Welcome to Sky Parles. We want to journey through the art of designing small spaces. Whether you're an experienced designer, a homeowner with a passion for creativity, or someone seeking to make the most of their cozy corner of the world, we've gathered a treasure trove of tips and tricks to help you transform your compact living area into a functional and stunning oasis. Today, we're tackling one of the most challenging aspects of home design: maximizing small spaces. Whether you're living in a studio apartment, a tiny home, or just trying to make the most of a small room, we've got you covered with innovative design solutions that are both practical and awesome. Let's get started. 1. Embrace multifunctional furniture. First things first, let's talk furniture. In a small space, every piece needs to pull double duty. Multifunctional furniture is your best friend. Whether you're in a bustling city apartment or a serene countryside retreat, the key to small space living lies in furniture that adapts to your lifestyle. From expandable tables to sleeper sofas and nesting coffee tables, these adaptable gems cater to everyone's unique needs, embracing the power of versatility without sacrificing style or comfort. Example 1. The sofa bed. During the day, it's a comfy place to lounge, but at night, it transforms into a cozy bed. Look for designs with built-in storage to stash away your linens and pillows. Example 2. The Murphy bed. These beds fold up into the wall when not in use, freeing up floor space. Modern Murphy beds come with added features like desks or shelves, perfect for small apartments. Imagine having a spacious living area by day and a comfortable bedroom by night. The key is to think vertically and use the blank walls, too. Utilize vertical space. Speaking of vertical space, don't let those walls go to waste. Here's how you can maximize your vertical real estate. Example 1. Tall shelving units. Invest in tall bookshelves or storage units that reach up to the ceiling. They provide ample storage without taking up valuable floor space. Example 2. Wall-mounted desks and fold-down tables. Wall-mounted desks can be folded away when not in use, and fold-down tables can be used for dining or work, then tucked away. This wall-mounted desk is a game-changer for small home offices. When you're done working, simply fold it up and you've got your room back. 3. Clever storage solutions. Storage is always a challenge in small spaces, but with a bit of creativity, you can find room for everything. Small spaces call for creative solutions that speak to everyone's unique needs. From transforming ottomans to multifunctional bookshelves and underbed storage systems, there's a solution for every space. By blending creativity with functionality, you can keep your space clutter-free and effortlessly stylish, no matter where you call home. Example 1. Underbed storage. Use the space under your bed for storage bins or drawers. It's perfect for seasonal clothing, extra bedding, or even books. Example 2. Over-the-door organizers. These organizers can hold shoes, accessories, cleaning supplies, and more. They're a simple way to add storage without using floor or shelf space. Look at how much you can fit under the bed. It's all about making use of every nook and cranny. Opt for light colors and mirrors. When it comes to making a small space feel larger, color and light are your best tools. Example 1. Light color palettes. Light colors make a room feel open and airy. Stick to whites, pastels, and soft neutrals for walls and large furniture pieces. Example 2. Strategic mirror placement. Mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Place them opposite windows or in narrow hallways to enhance natural light and make the space feel bigger. Notice how this room feels bigger and brighter. The light walls and mirror do wonders for opening up the space. 5. Maximize natural light. Natural light can transform a small space, making it feel warm and inviting. Natural light knows no boundaries when it comes to small space design. It has the power to open up even the tiniest of spaces, creating an inviting and uplifting atmosphere that resonates with everyone. Embrace sheer curtains. Strategically placed mirrors and light hue decor to amplify the sense of space and bring a touch of the outdoors inside, no matter where you lay your hat. Here are some tips to let the light in. Example 1. Minimal window treatments. Use sheer curtains or blinds that can be fully opened. Heavy drapes can make a room feel closed in and smaller. Example 2. Glass doors and partitions. If privacy isn't an issue, glass doors or partitions can divide spaces without blocking light, maintaining an open feel. Sheer curtains let in plenty of natural light while still providing some privacy. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. 6. Smart layout planning. Finally, it's all about the layout. Simplicity is a universal language in small space design. Whether you're drawn to urban minimalism or cozy country, charm, embracing clean lines, a cohesive color palette, and smart organizational solutions creates a serene and uncluttered environment that speaks to everyone. Curate a space that feels harmonious and visually expansive, allowing every element to shine without overwhelming the senses, no matter where you call home. A well-planned layout can make even the smallest space functional and comfortable. Example 1. Zone your space. Divide your room into zones for different activities. Use rugs, furniture placement, or room dividers to create distinct areas for sleeping, working, and relaxing. Example 2. Traffic flow. Ensure there's a clear path through your space. Avoid placing large furniture in high-traffic areas to keep the room feeling open. Zoning helps you make the most of your space. Each area has a purpose, and it keeps everything organized and functional. Designing small spaces doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these tips and tricks, you can create a home that's both stylish and functional. Remember, it's all about making the most of what you have and thinking creatively. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Skyparls for more design tips and inspiration. Leave a comment below with your own small space tips or any questions you have. Thanks for watching and happy designing!